Hi, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to GlobalBake. Today's video is just going to be a basic navigation how-to. How to get around, how to get what you want, how to find the things you want. Just some simple basics. One of the things you're going to notice here in GlobalBake is that a lot of these letters here have an underline on them. What you can do is you can use the Alt key on your keyboard and this letter to bring up that menu. So like with the sales menu, the S is underlined. So Alt S brings that menu up, and then we got the whole list of things to choose from. Other options in here, like orders, are also underlined. So I can go Alt SO and bring up orders if I want. So there it is. Skipping a step there, right? So other aspects of this is there's a lot more information for the hotkeys. And on my help menu, I can turn the hotkeys on or off here to list them. And these are not all of them, but these are some of the most widely used ones. And, you know, Control Shift P, Control P, Control Space, things like that are combinations of keys, like Alt and whatever, for categories. That's one aspect of moving around. The next aspect I'm going to use the customer list for. And this is about utilizing what we call the ad hoc reporting in GlobalBake. Okay, and this is using the search and report buttons that you see right here down at the bottom of this window, and they will appear in many places throughout the software. In any kind of details of a customer, or any kind of on the general ledger account details, most likely you'll see these. And what it does is it allows you to limit, search through the list and limit your results. But it also allows you to do some reporting out for just general information, as well as data extraction. So it's pretty powerful, and it allows you to design whatever you'd like to do. So right now I'm going to filter this list. Right here I have 23, and I'm going to limit this to just customers that the alpha key starts with an A. Okay, so I click search, and I click simple search, and this gives me here this little box. And now the select field, when I click on that, it gives me a list of all the field properties that are available for the customer menu. Let me drag this into the window here so we can see it. And here's the alpha key right here. So I'm going to pick that, and instead of is, I'm going to change the criteria here to starts with, and in this box I'm going to put in my matcher, which is A. So I click OK. It filters this list and comes back and tells me that there are 4 customers that have the alpha key that starts with A. I say, great. Now I'm going to click the report button. And this is going to bring up a different screen on top of this. And it's important to note that whatever output that we're going to be dealing with on this report screen is subject to the search that we've applied here. Whatever we're looking at this window, when we click the report button, that's what we're going to get our output of. So if we're not getting the results we want, we may have the search configured improperly. So here I'm going to say I don't want to see the member number, so I right click on this header and I delete that column. It doesn't delete it from the database, it just removes it from this output. I can set the font size here for this generic output, and I like Arial, and I'll go 10 point. And I just click the report key. And this is going to output my filtered searched results into a standard little screen preview, because I had the preview box checked. It gives it just a moment to push together, and here it is. And just a little quickie output now. If I wanted to have, say, the outstanding totaled, I could hop out of that. And if I come here in the empty space below the header and click once, I get an equal sign. And I can hit the report again. It'll run, and now it'll total that column, because that's a numeric column, for me. And we see it right there. So this is a pretty powerful tool, and you'd be surprised what you can do with it. You can even include some details, at least on the report option, like if I wanted to see rebates, or if I wanted to see any kind of delivery altercation. There's just a lot of different options here. It isn't available in all the areas, but it's available on this one. The data extract works the same way. I would just add the fields by right-clicking, and that takes you to the same place where you can add the same things. So I hope this helps out. This is a pretty powerful tool. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.